The rain is moving north. This system isn't fixed. It only looks that way. Climate, agriculture, cities. Not over centuries, but within decades. Early changes are subtle. Later ones are not. The world still works differently. Bands of weather migrate. Moisture follows heat. Heat is moving. Water systems strain. Processes that took ages now compress into lifetimes. Warmer air can store more water. When that air rises and cools, it rains harder, but not where it used to. Circulation cells expand poleward. The intertropical convergence zone drifts, tugging monsoon edges along. Observations already show shifts. Not theory. Detection. Dry edges dry further. Wet edges get wetter. A gradient with livelihood sitting on the line. Warmer air can store more water. When that air rises and cools, it rains harder, but not where it used to. Circulation cells expand poleward. The intertropical convergence zone drifts, tugging monsoon edges along. Observations already show shifts. Not theory. Detection. Dry edges dry further. Wet edges get wetter. A gradient with livelihood sitting on the line. You feel it as mist planting rains, ration taps, louder storms. The sky's schedule slips. Systems engineering meets a moving target. Our maps must move too. A farm runs on a calendar of rain. Break the calendar and every decision gets worse. Planting windows slip. Seed vigor drops. Weeds win by a week. Soil flips from sponge to sieve. Organic matter oxidizes, blowing away as dust. The first response: drill deeper, chase a falling water table with diesel and debt. Irrigation buys time. It burns money and aquifers. 1 failed harvest hurts, 2 reshape budgets, 3 end a lineage. Machinery rests. Fields go fallow. Rural main streets lose their anchors. Scale it up and breadbaskets wobble. Midwest, Black Sea, inland Australia. Supply becomes variable. Markets notice before kitchens do. Cities were designed for yesterday's rainfall statistics. Their reservoirs remember the difference. Silenced fountains, short showers, notices taped to doors. Pressure drops climb floors slowly. Gravity wins in tall buildings. Old pipes expect constancy. They don't get it. They crack. Risk multiplies when hydrants wheeze air. New builds arrive. Desalination, long pipes, purple pipe recycling, all with price tags. Money for water is money from somewhere else. Groundwater is the savings account. Rainfall is the paycheck. Deposits shrink, withdrawals grow, balances head one way. Overdraw and sediments compact. Land sinks, capacity lost, permanently. Hidden taps to rivers shut off in the dry season. Short-term pumping mortgages future water security. Some damages don't reverse when the rain returns. We are not just draining the account, we are shrinking the vault. Ecosystems sit on rainfall lines. Move the lines. Forests weaken at their edges. Stress invites pests and disease. Fire risk follows. North, wetter ground seeds grass, then shrubs, then tentative forests. Services fail. Carbon capture, water filtration, slope stability. Drought in an exporting hub shrinks global supply. Prices rise before trucks roll. Rich cities feel sticker shock. Poor households feel hunger. Low rivers jam commerce. Rail and road absorb cost. Late and expensive. Hydropower turns variable. Grids strain. Fossil backups fill the gap. North, the problem flips. Too much, too fast. Flash floods redefine design storms. Culverts widen. Tunnels grow. Streets become channels by design. Green infrastructure swaps concrete for sponge. Sensors and satellites target drops and seeds. Efficiency as survival. When fields fail, people move. Not a wave, a stream. Arrivals stretch housing, clinics and schools. Shared rivers and aquifers force shared rules or disputes. Governance becomes adaptation technology. Plans, priorities, trade. Pause. Breathe. The world is changing, not ending. Each choice alters the next. Escalation is not destiny. Managed transition looks like investments, treaties, and learning curves, not headlines. Real-time Earth observation turns weather from surprise into input. New lands learn agriculture slowly, soils first, then yields. Some limits are cultural. A changed sky can unmoor identity. Rainfall can move north. Sunlight will not. Seasons still set ceilings. Over decades, lines stop wandering. New climate belts settle in. Parts of high latitudes grow greener and wetter. Dry edges adopt a new normal. And new playbooks. Life reshuffles. Simpler communities first, resilience later. Cities learn thrift. Water counted, energy looped. Crops learn new tricks. So do farmers. Rivers get governance as real as bridges. Supply chains redraw to follow water and yield. Neighborhoods scale solutions people-sized. Different does not mean broken. It means learned. Reset. The chain keeps moving. One link at a time. Name the system. Ground it in facts. Translate to senses. Escalate. Then zoom out. Each pathway ends differently. Heat here, flood there, scarcity elsewhere. By the end, the world still functions, just differently. You've been watching IfVerse, where imagination meets possibility. See you in our next reality.